Today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 318 different strategies, with 103 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 216 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,020 indicators, with 425 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says Ultimate Guide Trend Finder Indicator for TradingView Master Entry and Exit Strategies 2024. Now, 2024 is a good ways close to being over, and so why they would choose to post that video here recently, don't really know. I feel like that's something you would maybe post the beginning of the year or even before the year starts. But nonetheless, we're going to put the strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. And so what we'll do is just go ahead and hide these two indicators here. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the RMI Trend Sniper indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And jump into the settings, and we're going to change the RMI length to 7, positive above to 80, the negative below to 20, and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the squeeze momentum indicator, and it's going to be this one right here, the actual one by Lazy Bear, not these ones branded as Lazy Bear. It's going to be this one actually right here. You can see Lazy Bear's name there in blue. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. The only change I made to this was I went into the settings, went into the styles, and here, instead of having it on histograms, I changed it to columns. It makes it just a tad bit easier to kind of see those individual bars. So what we're looking for a long trade, so we are looking for when we get a green label or green arrow like this from the RMI Trend Sniper. And when we get an arrow like that, a green signal, we're then going to look down to the squeeze momentum. And what we want is the squeeze momentum to have a green bar. And in this case, it's kind of hard to see, but if I zoom in really tight on this, you can see that there is a little tiny green bar right there. And so that does line up with this green tag here. So that would be your entry into a long. You're going to put your stop right at the Trend Sniper line, and then you're going to target a 1 to 2 risk reward, like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see a really nice push to the upside, getting you to your take profit. And for a short trade, what we are looking for is going to be a red label or arrow from the Trend Sniper indicator like this. And then again, at the same time, we're going to look down to the squeeze momentum indicator, and we want it to have a red bar like this here. When those two line up, that will be your signal to enter into a short. You're going to put your trade right there. You put your stop right up here at the Trend Sniper line, and you're going to target that same 1 to 2 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And again, a really nice push to the downside there, getting you to your take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. Has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 12 winning trades and 38 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 24% win rate. So with a 1 to 2 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $7,200. On the losing side, you would have been risking $300 per losing trade. Total drawdown would have been $11,400 for an overall loss of $4,200. So not a great strategy, regardless of the year. Definitely wasn't the best. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 32 trades altogether, 26 winning trades and 6 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 79% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $15,600. On the losing side, you'd have lost $7,200 for an overall gain of $8,400. So significantly better results. If you are interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. We have recently developed a crypto scalping strategy using the Academy of Forex indicator. You can see some of the trades we took just today using the scalping strategy. If you're interested in viewing that scalping strategy, you can click the link up in the corner now, and it will take you to that video where you can view the strategy. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.